Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall eTrade app and close crypto account, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the eTrade app, start by locating the app on your device. On an Android device, open the app drawer and find the eTrade icon. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall. Confirm your choice by tapping OK in the pop-up that appears. If you're using an iPhone, locate the eTrade app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it starts to wobble. Tap the Remove App option. Then, choose Delete App to confirm the action. Next, to close your eTrade crypto account, open the eTrade app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the account settings, usually found in the Profile or Account section. Look for the option related to account closure or deactivation. Read the instructions provided for closing your crypto account. You may encounter a warning about closing your account, so make sure to review any important information. If applicable, transfer or sell any remaining crypto assets before finalizing your account closure. Once you are ready, confirm your choice to close the account. After confirming, you should receive a notification verifying that your crypto account has been closed successfully. Be sure to check your email for any confirmation or follow-up instructions from eTrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.